Hi, it's Tori from Fortified Realty Group. Today I'm showing you 50 Palmer Street. It's a 2-bedroom, 1 bath. And here we got brand new floors, we got a brand new kitchen. Then you got a brand new bathroom, new vanity, new tub, new tiles. And we're gonna go to the first bedroom. It's got a closet, it's got a nice window, nice light exposure. And it actually has this really cool feature of a remote for the fan. So you can turn on the light, turn on the fan from anywhere. Hi, Tori here. Just wanted to introduce you guys to the Fall River area around the apartment. Here we have the 2 parks, Father Kelly and Chufield Playground. This is South Main, where the main shopping and food area is. Like Fall River House of Pizza, Asian One, gas stations, Emerald's Market, and McDonald's. The apartment is also located near St. Anne's Hospital and many historical monuments and churches. And then we're gonna go into a second bedroom. It's exactly the same size, same closet. And it also has a remote for the fan. And here we have the living area. It's a lot of light exposure, it's very nice, it's very big. Right here we have a fire exit, just leads you safely right out the door. And then you have a new space heater and a new fridge. Be sure to schedule a showing on our website, www.rentfallriver.com. Bye. Okay.